in today's video I'm gonna be showing you all the face washes that suited my sensitive, dry skin, acne prone skin. And yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get into the video and I'll show you all the face washes that I use in my AM or PM routine, and I have been obsessed with all of them. Okay guys, so there would be few face washes that I have already emptied and few face washes that I'm still using. So some face washes are good for my acne time, so where I have those small acne spots, I switch to that face wash. When I want a face wash to hydrate my skin, then I use the another one. So basically I use different face washes for different concerning matter on my skin, whatever I need accordingly. So let's start with the face wash that I am using these days. In my current skincare routine, I have been obsessed and I have emptied 2 bottles of this, and now the third I'm gonna purchase, of this Minimalist Skin Science Salicylic Acid plus LHA 2% cleanser. So this face wash slash cleanser is the most loved cleanser by many girlies out there who have dry skin, who have sensitive and acne prone skin. So I think it suits to all people who have all these concerning matters. Every day in my AM routine, I never forget to wash my face with this फेस वॉश. सो ये इतना अच्छा होता है आपके, अगर आपकी पिंपल्स आ रहे हैं या कोई भी एक्ने ब्रेकआउट्स कुछ भी हो रहा है ना, तो उसको इरिटेशन नहीं पहुंचाएगा. इट डजंट हैज़ दैट वेरी फोमी काइंड इफेक्ट एंड बहुत कुछ ऐसा टेक्सचर नहीं है, एंड बहुत ही ईजीली ग्लाइड हो पाएगा ये आपके फेस पर. एंड काफ़ी लाइक इसका टेक्सचर है और बहुत स्मूथ लगेगी. इसको इससे फेस वॉश करने के बाद आपकी स्किन ड्राई भी नहीं होगी. सो दैट्स वाई आई लव इट. इट्स एन 100 ml bottle if I'm not wrong, yes, and it retails for rupees 299 and you can get it on discount around 250 and maybe less than that. So yeah, जब भी कोई सेल आए, do grab this. The second face wash is from Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide 2% Simply Bright face wash. This is the one, and your face wash is getting viral these days. Many YouTubers, many creators out there love this face wash. I think for all the good reasons, because even if you feel there is dullness, then do use this face wash. It really give that boost of glow on your face. And again, this face wash is not that kind of face wash जो आपकी स्किन को ड्राई करेगा. It has little foam kind of texture but not too much, and irritation भी नहीं देगा आपकी eyes के around. So this is also an amazing product, and this one is a 50 ml product and it retails for rupee 200. And again, I got it as a freebie with some Plum product that I purchased, but when I used it, it really worked. So I think I'm gonna purchase this for sure. There is another face wash that I used for hydrating and for repairing my face whenever needed. So when after my acne spots are still visible but have become lighter, I switched to this Dot & Key Skincare Barrier Repair plus Hydrating Gentle face wash, which has 5 ceramides and Japanese rice water in it. It has pH 5.5 लेवल इन एज, हाइलुरोनिक इन्फ्यूज है, ये सोप फ्री है, ये प्रॉपर एंड डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड है ये प्रोडक्ट, एंड इट्स सेफ. इट्स बेसिकली फॉर नॉर्मल स्किन, फॉर ड्राई स्किन, फॉर सेंसिटिव स्किन. तो अगेन ये मेरी स्किन को बहुत अच्छे से सूट करा था थ्रू आउट ना, एंड आई हैव बीन using it wherever I go. So I have traveled with this face wash everywhere I have been. Definitely try to keep this face wash wherever I'm going. So that's why I like it, and I think it's a 100 ml tumbler and it retails for rupee 250. Again, this product is too good and cannot describe in words. जब भी मेरी skin sensitive feel होती है, I know which face wash I have to switch to. This is the one. Now the next product is from Cosrx, and you have seen this in my previous videos as well. It's the Advanced Nail Mucin Gel Cleanser. You can use this cleanser in your AM routine because cleansers are more for your AM routine. This cleanser was in a kit that I purchased from Cosrx mini kit set. So this cleanser now, so I use it where I have to travel because it's so mild, it's too gentle on your skin. Again, no irritation, you will not feel anything that you have applied on your face, but still it will give that cleanliness to your face. It will just exfoliate very lightly but in a mild way, एंड अगेन कोई ड्राइनेस नहीं देगी आपकी स्किन को, हल्का आपकी स्किन पे हल्का सा ग्लो देगा आपके स्किन को जब आप ऐसे क्लीन करके आएंगे फेस. सो दिस क्लेंजर इज ऑलवेज देयर इन माई ट्रैवल किट नो मैटर वॉट. Guys, the fifth face wash is from L'Oreal Paris Innovation Glycolic Bright Glowing Daily Cleanser Foam. It says it exfoliates and removes dullness for even glowing skin, has glycolic acid and written that dermatologically tested. This is a 100 ml product again, and it retails for rupees 3 to 9. So this face wash is good when I have to wake my skin up because this is a little thick one comparing to all the other face wash. So the texture is little thick and you really need to exfoliate. For days when I have to really exfoliate my face, I use this face wash, and it has foamy texture in it. It will irritate little bit too if you applied nearby your eyes, so please don't do that and you shouldn't be doing that, right? So ये थोड़ा सा irritation feel करवाएगा, but again जब आप इससे अपना face clean करने के बाद देखोगे अपने आप को मिरर में, you will see that this face wash really works. मतलब every time I uses this face wash to clean my face, it gives that instant glow to my face. It cleans and हल्का सा भी कुछ भी redness around थी face पे वो गायब हो जाएगी, dullness थी वो गायब हो जाएगी. So this face wash is good for those exfoliating kind of day when you need it. थक हार के एकदम आप घर आते हो, आपको बस अपना face clean करना होता है, तो उसके लिए ये फेस वॉश बहुत अच्छा है फ्रॉम L'Oreal Paris. And guys, the last face wash that I'm gonna be talking about would be from Foxtail, the Bright Side Purify and Weekday Cleanser plus Weekend Face Mask. तो ये फेस वॉश ना मैं बेसिकली फेस वॉश तो इसको अपने नाइट स्किन केयर में यूज़ करती हूँ बिफोर डूइंग माई नाइट PM स्किन केयर रूटीन, एंड ऑन वीकेंड्स आई समटाइम्स prefer using it as a face mask because it gives such an amazing glow. It really brightens up my face. ये फेस मास्क मुझे फॉक्सटेल के दोनों ही फेस मास्क अच्छे लगते हैं, दैट पर्पल क्ले वन ऑल्सो एंड दिस वन एज वेल. बट पर्सनली आई फील इसका जो फेस मास्क है वो बहुत ही ग्लास स्किन लाइक फील देता है जब आप उससे फेस वॉश करने के बाद अपना फेस देखते हैं. सो द क्लेंजर इज़ गुड, द फेस मास्क इज़ गुड, दिस होल प्रोडक्ट इट्स itself an amazing 10 on 10 product. Can't deny it has French pink clay plus sodium PCA, and it helps in cleaning your face, cleaning that dirt from your face. थोड़े बहुत भी pores होते हैं आपकी स्किन पे तो उसे भी क्लीन करता है. And this is an 100 ml product and it retails for rupees 395. You get a lot of Foxtail sales and around buy one get one की सेल में आपको अगर कभी परचेज करना हो तो डेफिनेटली डू कंसिडर दिस इन योर लिस्ट. ऑलमोस्ट ये जितने भी फेस वॉशेस थे ये मेरे सारे ही अराउंड 300-400 की रेंज के मिनिमम ही हैं तो मतलब 500 की भी अगर आपकी बजट लिस्ट है तो यू कैन बाय एनी ऑफ दिस फेस वॉशेस. इट विल डेफिनेटली सूट योर स्किन इफ you have same concerning matter on your skin or same skin type just like me. So yeah guys, this was the video. That was all the face washes that I wanted to show you guys that I love using, and I use it whenever I need, whenever I have to switch on to other one. And yeah, with that I think now let's end this video, and like, share, subscribe and comment on the video. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.